The time now, it's 5 o'clock on this Thursday evening, December the 12th, 2013. Time now for the Weather Magician PJ Wiggins, the evening report. Thursday evening, December 12th, 2013. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 5 o'clock in North Massachusetts. Temperature 20 degrees with fair skies. With humidity 43%. Wind speed is calm. Parameter 3.21 inches, 2.1 degree, and the visibility at 10 miles. Okay, let us take a look at
But there is a rapidly changing weekend storm looming in the distance. Harvey's on it tonight. What do you make of the latest models, Harvey?
All right, well, first I want to give you a little hint as to the timing of all this. Let's go to Saturday morning. Two things could happen. The wind.
Let's take a look at our radar scope.
We'll
zoom,
which is still warm, so that may start to instigate
out.
snow showers along the coast.
And shows a couple of batches of rain showers in eastern Quebec. Another batches of snow showers in central and eastern portions of Nova Scotia, and another batch of snow showers in western and eastern Prince Edward Island, Canada. And a line of snow showers in southern Quebec, and another batch of snow showers in northeastern New York. A line of snow showers of lake effect snow showers from central New York down for western New York and Buffalo, and stretching down for Ontario, and a couple of batches of snow showers in southern Ontario down for eastern UP, Michigan, and northern and western portions of Michigan, and a batch of snow showers around Ohio and west central Pennsylvania and east central Ohio. Here, and a line of rain showers off the southern Florida coastline and stretching off the northern Cuba coastline. Another batches of rain showers in northern Mexico and stretching out western Texas and eastern New Mexico and western Texas, and snow and sleet pelts in central and western portions of New Mexico. And a line of snow showers in northern Minnesota down for southern Manitoba, down for northern North Dakota, down for central Saskatchewan, down for central and northern Alberta, and down the eastern portions of British Columbia. And a couple of
which will change so much in terms of who gets what. I'll stay on top before you report back in a little while. Have a minute.
We have some tragic breaking news right now. A young Marine from Fairhaven has been killed in Afghanistan.
And patches of rain, sleet, and snow showers in southern Oregon and stretching out to the I-5 corridor from western Oregon and Washington and down to the southern British Columbia means Vancouver, Seattle, and Portland there. With rain showers in the coastal sections of western Washington and Oregon. Sleet and snow showers extending through Portland and stretching out to the mountains of western Washington there. Post Oregon, good evening, 37 degrees with clear skies. Alright, let us take a look at our satellite loop.
Everyone made it out of the home safely. Let's get right to news that fires Pat Cross. She's at a very active scene live right now. Pat?
Tough afternoon here. They're trying to get us to move out of the way. Smoke filled the air. The 12 people were displaced, and they were forced. They've lost most of their belongings.
There we go. Couple of batches of clouds off this Atlantic coastline stretching out in Atlantic Canada. Another batches of clouds covering from western Vermont and northern New York and Pennsylvania and Ohio, stretching out to Great Lakes, and stretching that out for Minnesota and northern Wisconsin, stretching out for eastern Iowa, down through Illinois and Indiana, and then clouds stretched down through northern Dakotas and down for Montana and Idaho, down for Washington and Oregon, stretching out through British Columbia and then Alberta, down through Saskatchewan and southern Manitoba and southern Oregon, southern Ontario. Never batches of clouds from the central coast section down for Texas, down for eastern New Mexico, down for Arizona and eastern California, and then stretching on north and southern Colorado, and down for southwestern Kansas, and stretching down for Oklahoma, down for western Arkansas, down for central Mississippi here. Okay.
Moving lines here. That young lady was safe. At 6 o'clock, we'll tell you about a man who tried to save some of his neighbors. Reporting live in Lawrence, I'm Pat Cross.
Okay, let's take a look at our map situation. High pressure centered in central Tennessee and Kentucky. Another high pressure system centered in northeastern Texas around Dallas. High pressure centered in southern Utah and eastern portions of Idaho. Low pressure centered in southern Saskatchewan. Another low pressure system centered in southern Colorado and in western Oklahoma and Kansas and northern Texas here. And Texas Panhandle here. And a cold front stretching off the Washington coastline, stretching down through western British Columbia, warm front from British Columbia down through Washington State. Stationary front from eastern British Columbia down for southern Alberta, down for southern Saskatchewan, down for northern Montana, down for the Dakotas. And a stationary front from western Mexico, stretching the Gulf of Mexico down to southern Florida. And another batch of cold front off the North Carolina coastline. And our current conditions around the country: frontal boundary from northern New Mexico down for Colorado, down for western Kansas and Nebraska, down for South Dakota, down for eastern Montana, and a frontal boundary from northern Wisconsin down for northern Michigan and down for southern Ontario. 24 degrees the temperature in Boston, 33 at Washington D.C., 46 in Atlanta, 77 in Miami, 60 in Brownsville, 47 in Dallas, Texas, 43 out in Kansas City, pair of 18s in Minnesota and Chicago, and Minneapolis and Chicago. 56 degrees the temperature in Denver, 40 in Albuquerque, 41 in Great Falls, 40 in Seattle, 25 Salt Lake City, 54 in San Francisco, and it is 64 degrees out in Los Angeles. Okay, the latest on the storm. Snow will begin everywhere. The weekend storm will impact southern New England in a variety of ways. Snow begins everywhere Saturday afternoon, becomes every time northwest Massachusetts and southwestern New Hampshire. But will change to sleet, freeze rain, and then rain in north east Connecticut, Rhode Island, eastern Massachusetts, possibly in southern New Hampshire. Okay, preliminary thoughts and accumulations. 0 to 3 inches. On the Cape and the Islands. 3 to 6 inches in the southeast areas, and 6 to 9 inches in central and northwestern Massachusetts and southern New Hampshire. A winter storm watch may be needed for a portion of the region, and precipitation and forecast to end by middle of Sunday afternoon. Wind at the coast, east to northeast wind will gust
Like hundreds of other victims,
up to 25.
credit card information stolen. Charges wrapped up all over the country.
To 35 miles per hour along the Massachusetts Rhode Island coastline, with high gusts expected Saturday night, early Sunday on Cape Cod and the Islands. And coastal splashover at the time of early Sunday morning high tide, a surge of 1.5 to 2 feet, combined with northeast winds about 20-25 miles per hour, and 7 to 10 feet seas could lead to splashover on east-facing coastlines. If these valleys are underdone at all, then it could lead to some minor coastal flooding issues here. So that is the dilemma on the weekend storm for now. Stay tuned for further updates as soon as possible. And hazardous weather outlook here.
And use their cards at businesses in the Seaport District. The Globe now reports Boston police say
No active hazardous weather conditions here.
victims. The information
Okay, let's take a look. The 7-day forecast goes like this. For tonight, a mostly clear skies, low and 15 degrees, southwest wind about 5 to 9 miles per hour. Friday, most of the skies high near 29 degrees, west wind about 10 to 14 miles per hour, gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. Friday night, a slight chance of snow showers after 3 a.m. Increasing clouds with a lower end 13 degrees, northwest wind about 5 to 8 miles per hour with a chance of precipitation of 20%. Saturday, a chance of snow mainly afternoon. Cloudy skies high near 25 degrees, north wind about 7 miles per hour, chance of precipitation is 40%. Saturday night, snow lower end 25 degrees, northeast wind about 8 to 30 miles per hour with a chance of precipitation is 80%. Sunday, snow and sleet like before 10 a.m. then a chance of snow, cloudy skies high near 32 degrees, chance of precipitation is 70%. New precipitation amounts between a 10 and a quarter inch possible. Sunday night, podcast skies low in 17 degrees. Monday, most of the time skies high near 27 degrees. Monday night, podcast skies low in 11 degrees. Tuesday, podcast skies high near 35 degrees. Tuesday night, most of the skies low in 24 degrees. Wednesday, most of the skies high near 38 degrees. And Wednesday night, podcast skies low in 23 degrees. And for Thursday, most of the skies high near 35 degrees. Peters, what a phase of the evening. A clear and a frigid night in town. This is PJ. What's up? You have a good day with a good positive attitude. And a good evening.